Hi, my name is Puppy.
Hi, I am Baby.
I am happy today.
Me too, I feel happy.
I feel very hungry.
My tummy is hungry too.
I want to eat now.
Yes, food time. This is my dog food. It looks hard and brown.
It smells very good to me.
Really?
That is funny.
This is my baby milk.
Do you like the taste?
It's okay, not great. I think milk smells nice.
Do you like your cereal?
No, it is too soft.
My food is very crunchy.
I want pizza, please. Pizza is not baby food, but pizza looks so good. Yes, it looks tasty. I also want a burger.
That burger looks very big.
I can eat a little bite.
I want a bite too. My owner says no burgers. My mommy says no pizza.
I must eat baby food only. I feel a little sad now. Me too, no fun food.
Maybe later when we grow.
Yes, when I am big. Wait, I hear my leash. I see my stroller.
Is it time for a walk?
Yes, let's go outside.
I can run very
I
fast.
see my stroller.
The air feels cool today.
The wind feels funny.
I like to smell this tree.
I like to wave at people.
Every smell is different.
Every person smiles at me.
I can run very fast.
I go fast in my stroller.
The air feels cool today.
The wind feels funny.
I think I am very cute.
I think I am more cute.
Look at my fluffy tail.
Look at my tiny hands. Why are you so quiet? I am thinking very hard. What are you thinking about? Pizza again.
I feel tired after walking.
I feel tired after sitting. I need a little rest. Me too. Rest time. Uh-oh.
I smell something strange.
I did something funny. I am a little scared. I made a diaper mess.
Oh no, that smells bad. It is my baby power. That is not a good power. When I make a mess, I get in trouble.
When I make a mess, I get hugs.
That is not very fair. Baby life is funny.
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend too.
I like playing with you.
I like playing with you.
Wait, don't go yet, friends.
Yes, stay with us.
Click like and subscribe, please, or I eat your pizza. Just kidding.